Welcome to Tandendo bicycle gears or gearbox.
I think the way you're doing is going up to once you get here, you gotta gotta go towards this finger, ring finger, and then going here.
This
and
part,
then,
that part I get stuck. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just going that way. That way. So that you mean this way?
No. Actually, looks like you're going towards this one, but it's not.
I'm
Your
going towards
your vector is going this way actually.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Before we get into the gearboxes,
Okay.
I'd like to talk about the vector of the ring finger. Vector of the ring finger is very important.
Another thing is so this one going towards this vector, and then if this one going here, you gotta go pull this one.
Oh, and I didn't do that either.
So right ring finger is going positive direction, and the left ring finger is going negative way of the vector of the ring finger.
Yeah.
A
So
little better.
that's completely muscle power, but it would work if you do that way.
It's still muscle power.
No, but still it wouldn't.
No.
Well, actually, this is another one. This is very beginner's way.
Yeah.
But this small. Imagine this is small gears in here, and the big gears out here, and the small gear is a spinning big gear.
Yeah. That way. Okay.
So imagine the bicycle, and on the
no.
pedal side there's a smaller gear, and then on the wheel side there's a bigger wheel, and then it will be easier to turn.
Okay, so
You're using.
When you're going slope
Your body is twisted.
uphill, it will be easier this way.
That way I'm having trouble doing it. So here, that. Well,
No, this is very simple. So this one going gears.
that one.
So,
That's it.
so you just spin your belly.
Here.
No, you don't have to move so much. It just feels like a
Little
twist,
bit.
little bit twist,
Little bit.
Yeah.
That. Oh, okay.
So very,
Very small. Yeah.
very small motion.
Yeah, as long as it's connected
Yeah,
to the
that-
upper body. Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as it's connected here and
Right.
it goes through. Okay. So, all right. Nope.
No, you're twisting your
Twisted
body.
it. So, nope.
So imagine the small gears in around the belly, we call it tanden area,
Okay.
and then big gears. Of course,
Twisted that.
that's our arms, and the center of the gear is between
Huh.
these two people.
It's harder. Not sure what's wrong there.
Yeah.
It's it that way. So this way I just went.
I figured out this logic before Newton's cradle, so this is very basic logic.
Oh.
I think try this one. So you're moving too much.
Too much.
So gradually twist. Anyway, the bone really doesn't twist so much anyway.
Yeah.
So this part,
Yeah,
move
it's really small.
small, small,
Oh.
and small, and small.
Oh, and then you go down.
Yeah.
So,
No. Imagine like a bunch of gears. Moving little by little.
that
Yeah.
way. So, let's see.
No. You try to move your arm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. So, here. That. Yeah, I think I was moving the top part before the bottom part
Yeah.
a little bit. Yeah, okay. So,
You twist it.
Twisting it, yeah. Still twisting the top.
Yeah, you're twisting a lot.
This is part.
So feel
No.
it. So if you twist like this, you know,
Yeah.
it doesn't work, you know.
Right,
So if you twist body like this,
yeah.
so gradually 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5. So don't go down.
Don't go so much.
Stay there.
Stay here.
Here, 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 here. So and then if you make it quicker,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So,
Yeah,
here.
that's good.
That's
Yeah.
better. Okay. Like this part here. Oh. Huh. A little muscle that's tired there.
Yeah, you're you're wasting,
Yeah,
you know, power.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can't go that way. There's a muscle in my arm. From swimming.
No, I mean you're using
Yeah.
muscle. That's
Yeah.
why. So
Yeah, no,
so
I'm tired.
use muscle only up to
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
So
okay.
we're going and then.
Okay.
So don't try to use this muscle
Don't
at
use the
all.
arm muscle.
Just
Pull that
holding
back.
this, you know,
Okay.
shape.
Okay.
No, you're still using this
Still
muscle.
using that.
I see. So this is how you're doing. Going here, like this.
Yeah.
So you,
Not from-
no, you're not making.
Oh.
You're leaving this part behind like this.
Oh, okay.
So as it
That-
goes here and then going.
Keep that connected. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. So,
Yeah.
oh. Better. Okay. As it goes. No. That's fine. All right.
That's
Nope.
good. Yeah.
No.
Oh, and then you're not really looking at me either. So this
Yeah.
is how you're doing. So
Yeah.
when you're doing this one, going
Yeah.
here, like
I'm
this.
Yeah, looking at
Do you know what's the problem?
I'm not sending it to you.
See, there's a kink right here.
Oh.
So your
Oh.
vector is wrong actually. So
Mm.
you gotta go this way.
That way.
Yeah.
You're right. Okay. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah.
No.
No, that's fine. Yeah. It's not really
No.
enough.
Yeah, let me try this way. Easier. Maybe. I don't know.
No, I think this upper body,
Upper body is the
the
problem.
shoulder, the only. Yeah.
Okay. Like this way. No. Pushing still
Yeah,
that
you.
way. Okay.
See, you try to push there. You
Yeah.
try to pull here.
Uh-huh.
I'm not really. See this.
Don't
So
try that.
feel it. So if you push like this,
That's
See?
what I'm doing, yeah.
don't go down.
Yeah.
Here, see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't-
Ah!
It's harder. Yeah.
See, it looks same.
It looks, yeah,
Yeah,
but it's
but-
not. That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
It's really hard actually.
Yeah. That's,
Don't go down though.
okay, don't.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, that's good.
okay.
So here,
Oh.
so it's completely different.
It is complete. It's with your bones. Yeah, it's like with your spine. So. Oh, I'm still doing it. All right.
No,
No,
you're
I'm still
twisting.
pushing it. Yeah. This way.
So, so you gotta
Huh.
imagine like every single bone kind
Yeah.
of. So, oh.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
That one. That one.
Yeah.
That one I could think about it.
Yeah.
Having trouble with the other side. Yeah.
I feel the
Yeah,
muscle.
pushing. Yeah. I'm not sure how to relax this one.
No, you don't have to relax
This
though.
side.
So here, even like this, like
Yeah.
here, but from here you just need to twist, you know.
Twist from there. Yeah. Okay. So.
Yeah, and then from at that
There.
moment you twist again one more.
Twist
time.
again.
Yeah. Yeah, that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I felt that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was from here. Yeah, instead of up top. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, from there twist one more time. You know. No, you don't see. You
Yeah.
release it once.
Yeah.
Once it's.
And
you
then
get,
I lost it.
Yeah. So here.
Yeah.
So here.
If
No,
I'm,
no,
if I'm like
like
that.
yeah, like
yeah.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but from
Then-
here.
Yeah. Don't release it. Yeah. Yeah.
But if you go like this and if you
Let
release
go,
one,
yeah,
then
then
you gotta
it's-
recoil again.
Yeah, then you're stuck. Yeah.
And here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Huh. Okay, cool. So you can apply that whatever way.
Yeah.
All right. So. Oh shoot. Okay.
No, you're pulling.
Mhm.
Pulling. Yeah.
No. Oh, there's muscle that's still right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah, now I've exhausted the muscle in my shoulder.
Now you can relax then.
Yeah, now I don't have to relax it. Okay. All right.
You're using too
No.
much muscle.
Yeah, I am. All right. So here, twist it. Twist that way. Let me try the other way. All right. No. No? Okay. All right. So. So here. No. No, that's not working. No. Okay, I don't know what to do. Try here. Okay. So here. This way.
So just imagine the small gear in your belly is spinning the large gear on your arm. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you haven't and subscribe this channel if you haven't. Thank you.